महाभारतम् गङ्गानर्मदपुण्यतीर्थम् सिन्धु सरस्वती कावेरी जीवनकारणमूलतत्त्वम् नदीराष्ट्रस्य महाअमृतम् भारतम्.
Namaskar. Once again, we welcome you on our YouTube channel Duo Talks. If you respect and favor the word Bharat over India, then you must watch the arguments given in the video, because this video is made for you. This video will explain you the significance of word Bharat. The facts and arguments used in the video will definitely convince those and make them realize the need to rename our country's name and keeping it as Bharat. I request you to watch the full video to understand the need to rename. So, let us start. Why such a name is accepted and given to our nation, which has no cultural and historical significance, and which was just given to those who could not vocalize correctly? While the name Bharat is traditionally rich, it has cultural as well as historical background. My personal opinion says words that are associated with Bharat, for instance Bharat Mata, Bharatiya, Bharatiya Sanskriti, etc., are a cause to evoke nationalist feeling among the people of this land. During the independence battle, revolutionaries used the picture of Bharat Mata to induce the feeling of nationalism and patriotism among the Indians. This attests the significance of Bharat in the lives of Indians. Shouldn't a country has a name that awakens nationalist sentiments in its citizens? Yes, it must have. India and Bharat are entirely different into two aspects. First of all, Bharat is not a political organized entity. Secondly, it has a vast landmass as compared to India. The ancient Bharat, I'm talking about golden period Bharat. Don't you feel need of the same Bharat? Yes, I do feel. So why not to start with the name? What is in a name? That which we call a rose by any other name will smell as sweet. William Shakespeare, and an argument by many those who do not want to rename our country. It is about culture, originality and uniqueness. This land has equal significance as mother. Would you accept it if any outsider gives your mother a supplementary name? I will never. When identity is deprived, it leaves making you fragile and weak. Foreigners did the same to us. A new and meaningless identity was given to us, actually imposed on us, leaving us pointless and aimless. We made a mistake by adopting a foreign name in our constitution. Now, this is the time to rectify our mistake made by our forefathers. India claimed to be the world's second largest English speaking country. The most reliable estimate is around 10% of India's population, or 12.5 million people, are English speaking. Second to US, which have definitely increased. It means the left ones, 112 crore people, still do not speak English. So why the nation is named in English? Does it mean anything to the non-speaker of English? The name India seems to be the English translation of the word Bharat. Bharat Sarkar becomes Indian government. Bharat Mata becomes Mother India. Bharat ka Samvidhan becomes Constitution of India. In the same way, this translation is observant. Bharat has become a translation of India. It is losing its cultural and historical significance day after day. Whenever our country is represented in any international conference or summit, why only the name India is used? How many times this nation is represented as Bharat at international level? America is America in English. Japan is Japan, Sri Lanka is Sri Lanka, Australia is Australia, even Pakistan. These all countries have same names. They are not being translated. But the situation is different in case of our country Bharat. Isn't this seems to be a Hindi English translation? Is it just for the convenience of the outsiders? People without the knowledge of their past history, origin, and culture is like a tree without roots. The title is associated with pride. It is the title that describes your character. India is a sign of slavery. Isn't it a spot on Bharat given by foreigners? This name can never give that pride. So, at last, I would say India should be deleted and instead Bharat should be used in all the places, which will rationalize the independence of our land. It will definitely have consequences. When Allahabad was renamed as Prayagraj, it incurred a very huge amount of cost. Since it requires rectifying all the documents, for instance, passports, voter ID cards, Aadhaar cards, institution names, etc. This was a city, we are talking about a country. I am not saying to rename tomorrow, but it is a sensitive time. This can be done when economy of our country gets stable. Otherwise, in saving expenditure, we will lose our original identities, cultural and traditional significance. Bharat used in national anthem makes me feel proud of my nation. Similarly, each and every time you hear this title will feel proud. Bharat is not a name, it is a mantra. Yes, it has that power which any other name cannot have. I hope you understand my points and they were very clear.
Hellcat.